In this video, we are going to learn how to adjust the spacing between words in Microsoft Word. Inconsistent spacing can occur when using multiple fonts or font sizes in your document, affecting its professional appearance. Adjusting the spacing between words will help enhance readability and ensure consistency throughout. Follow these easy steps to adjust spacing without altering the spacing between individual letters. First, select the text you wish to adjust. To select the entire document quickly, press Ctrl+A. Next, go to the Home tab and in the Editing group, select Replace. In the Find and Replace dialog box, click in the Find What box and press the spacebar once. Click in the Replace With box and press the spacebar once again. Click the More button to expand additional options. Now, click on Format and select Font in the Font window. Under Size, choose the font size most frequently used throughout your document. Click OK. Once you're ready, select Replace All. A dialog box will appear showing the number of replacements made. Click Yes to apply the changes to the entire document or No to apply them only to the selected text. The spacing between words should now be uniform. You can close the Find and Replace window once you're done. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. New to our channel? Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more tutorials to help you master Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.